abakinnyi bo ni benshi. Abantu barimo gusunika inyuma mwatwihanganye niba munakennye mukasoka. Hunted. Umuhigo.
It's nice to meet you.
I'll let my father know you're here.
Reka data mukanya gato ndamugira kuri hano. Mwibuka neza feza filime nta yagarukiye uyu mugabo yishe umudage wagomba kuza ari yana engineer. Arangije umugabo amaze kwica umudage uyu mugabo nawe ashaka kwicaga agakobwa muri cya gihugu filime itangira wagakobwa kari. Banye ikintu cy'igishinge cy'abantu bose batera ibishinge.
You're a family friend, Miss Kent?
Madam Kent, uri inshuti
Mr. Turner's son.
Oya, ncunga umwana wa Tana. Naje nahanga gucunga umwana wa Tana. Gishinge.
Are you a doctor?
Uri umuganga?
A medical doctor, no.
Oya. The engineer.
An engineer.
The engineer.
Consulting on a project.
What kind of project?
It's very technical, I'm afraid.
Ukora ibiki ngora ibintu biri technical cyiza gishinge.
Mr.
Gabo. Ni byiza kukubona igishinge arongera arakibika. Yari yagiye gutera umukobwa igishe uyu mugabo n'umwicanyi. Yisha engineer wagombaga kuza hano aza mu kimbo cya engineer besha ko ari we engineer. Katrori. Sagabo.
Good to finally meet you, Doctor.
Byiza kongera kubona kumva umudamu. Uyu mukobwa Alex mwibuke neza afite ikirego cyo kumenya abantu bakorana n'uyu mugabo.
Let's talk through here.
Ngwino tugere tuvugire mu biro office. Wa musaza ufite indangamuntu.
I'm gonna go to bed.
All right.
Mwana narinje kujya kumushyira mu gitanda ngo aryame sasuri yaje kwita ku mwana w'uyu mugabo. Umugana wa Steven.
Well, I need you for this one, Stevie.
Stevie wakwihangana umwanya muto nkabanza ngavugana n'uyu mu engineer turi twenyine muze hari business atajya ashyira muhungu we kabone nubwo mwizera ka gihumbi ahubwo akizera kuzukuru ke kurusha igihungu cye tekereza kandi umwana n'ubu yari kamwizera kurusha umwana we yibyariye bakiraho kumbe Gabo agiye kuganira na boss Mr. Turner.
Where's the audio?
EF scramblers are interfering.
I thought Hassan was supposed to be shuttering this bloke from the city.
Aba ikibazo cy'uko itarimo kugenda neza.
Where is it?
Barashaka kugira ngo bumve ikintu uriya mugabo Gabo arimo kuganira n'uyu musaza nyiri mari mwenye mari hari igishoro ashaka kumanura cya za miliyari z'amadolari. Arenda kugura uruganda rw'amavuta ruri muri Pakistan. Bakiraho tuvuyeyo tugaruka kuri uruhande. Kuri uruhande dore kill boss wabo babandi bashinzwe gutata ba MI6 ni ibiro bishinzwe ubutasi by'abanyamerika byitwa MI6 nkuko umva FBI nako CIA y'abanyamerika iby'abongereza ni MI6 Mossad ni y'Abisirayeli. Uyu musaza ucingwe MI6 kumbe buri uko agiye gushaka amasogisi ajya mu hoteli. Abagabo nk'aba bari abantu bakomeye cyane na government ziba zibizera ku buryo ibintu by'amasogisi atajyana umuntu agiye gufata amasogisi ahandi hantu bisanzwe mu hoteli niyo gufatira amasogisi apagasi ngaba baracyaneka ko barimo kuneka boss tumubonye ajya mu hoteli yewe bino tuvugane gatonya.
What is it?
Niki
Hassan's not picking up.
Sam nawe ntabwo arimo kwitaba telefone. Boss kumbe boss yaragiye kwifatira ku masogisi. Boss niwe boss wa mukobwa Sam ni nawe boss bari barimo kuneka abandi. Nari nyasanye wiki nari nyasanye amasogisi kibanza kumpangira imidomo.
Something wrong?
Hari ikibazo?
Dana.
Oya ntacyo.
Little vein there. Throbs when you're tense.
Sana ufite ibitekerezo
That's
byinshi.
so easily read.
No kubera akazi rimwe rimwe umuntu abakora. Mukobwa nguyu dore kuntu ateye umware ndumurunguruke bambaraga murabibonye? Muve kuri bya bikobwa bya matimba ugira gutya kikagukubita urubere rw'ibere uruki rw'ibere pya. Wakirakaje. Hero usanga ryaramanutse wajyaho n'igitambaro. Ashobora no kuzimya buji. Sheri wajimije buji hakurya akavana iki. Irimira. Umukobwa ari hariya ntabwo ari nk'abandi matimba abanyakwicwa n'uburoro. Kumva ko ba boss barimo kuganira mu nyubako sasi uyu mudamu afite inshingano ebyiri. Iya mbere ni ukuneka uyu mugabo boss one Mr. Turner. Uko aneka Turner yajya gucunga neza asanga abona hanze ari imodoka yari izanye umuntu mwibuke igice cya mbere mugenzi wabo umwe yari amaze gufatirwa mu muhanda yagiye gukurikirana Gabo ugiye kuza kwa Turner ninde bamufata ari mu muhanda yendaga gushimura taka akuzukuru ka Turner uwo bazanye nguyu bamuzaniye mu modoka umukobwa barimo gucunga ibyinjira ibisohoka bamwohereje mu rugo agenda ko asa nk'umukozi wo mu rugo umbe n'umunetse umwe mu babazanye ni mugenzi we bakorana mu kazi araka mugenzi we bari bamucakiye tangira kwirwanaho hano kwatana baranakwica bakugejeje Tatunze neza hasi umuntu urimo kurwana harimo gucika
Shit, it's Hassan.
ni Sani bari bamufashe Sani arimo arakora mu gipangu kwatana mukobwa amenya ko kabaye uriya mugabo baramutse bamuvugishije yavuga ko n'iki gikobwa cyaje kubaneka muri uru rugo kubise shawuru mu mutwe bajyana mu nzu ibuke neza ni wendaga gusemuta kana ka boss kuri wa munsi filime itangiriye umukobwa bajya kumwoherezamo hano muri uru rugo ngo aze kuneka umukobwa yindura nk'utabaye akana kumbe ni mugenzi we bari bakoranye none dukora iki ko bamushimuse mugenzi wacu boss wabo ngo uyu hakuno yaje kwifatira amasogisi ari mu hoteli igikobwa agiye gufata amasogisi gifite ibintu by'ibikuvu ku rugongo do mpavu nyinshi shaho boss Mr. Kill wazashyizemo vibration ko ari karasharamye yego
The Turners have Hassan.
Tana bafashe Sani mugenzi wacu hari umukobwa witwa Sam bafashe n'umusore witwa Sani we baramushimusa dukora iki boss ari hano
Was he careless?
Some likely.
Betrayed?
More likely.
gucika kwe ntabwo biri bupfa kumworohera kumurangiza byo birashoboka.
Shall I instruct Sam to retrieve him?
Tubwire Sam amurangize batari bamubaza byinshi.
Option.
Look, he can't remain in that house. It leaves Sam vulnerable. Puts us all at risk if we stay operational.
Hari za kamera muri iyi nyubako. Sam ariyo ibyo dushaka dushobora kubigeraho aduko nta muntu ushoboye kuba yatuvuga ko turimo kubaneka muri uriya rugo.
Yes, but we can't retrieve him.
Ngabwira Sam amurangize.
And we have to stay operational.
Kuko tugomba gukomeza akazi ntagahagarare uko byamera kose.
For the cost.
Whatever the cost.
Are you authorizing removal?
Uremo urategeka tumurangize se? Are you authorizing a removal? Muntu bakoranaga mu minota. Whatever the cost.
Are you authorizing removal?
Uremo urategeka tumurangize se? Are you authorizing a removal? Muntu bakoranaga mu minota mike cyane bataramushimuta. Tumurangize?
Yeah.
Yego.
Removal is authorized.
Itegeko ndaritanze murangize.
Sam's texted again.
Sam aramuko arakura Yosani.
Tell her you need to meet.
Koga mwoherereza ubutumwa. Wiki ndangiza umuntu. Imirimo iragwira ndakubwira ari imirimo ujya mukajya mugiyemo umurimo ari imekenya ngo hekenya. Koga baramuhamagaye nicyo gihe cyo kujya ngo agenda bonane n'abakuru. Bagira icyo bavuga. Gusohoka ko ariko ni ngume urugo rurarinzwe shaho. Baje kuneka Mr. Ken, boss Mr. Tana. Yewe.
What's wrong?
Nibiki?
Pardon the intrusion, sir.
Boss, wihanganire kwa mwivanze.
Sorry to cut this short. Don't tell that, son.
Gebo, ndakeka nta bindi umuntu kugusezera indi business kazakomeza mu nyuma. Agakobwa kumbe itegeko riraje.
I expect not. It's a pleasure.
Byari byiza kongera guhura nawe.
Go out.
Of course.
Inzira ndakeka gusura wayibonye unati cyane. Boss nawe baramuhamagara hasi hari ikintu bafashe bagiye kucyereka umusaza. Mzee. Musaza ni mubi cyane. Hano nkwereke. Musaza ni mubi. Harawe yagiye guca kumbi yagiye kuhaca banza gushyiramo ka kadi ntabwo ari muri za essentiel buri wese apfa kwinjira mu mukobwa byose arabireba. Kobwa muri uru rugo nawe amabwiriza amaze kuyafata aho kujya mugenzi we bajye kumbabaza ajye kuvuga urugambo. Bamurangize. Bataramurangiza dore ahantu bamujyanye muri basement hasi. Ko bamanutse hasi n'agakobwa karakurikiye.
Thank you, I should be going.
Urakoze.
If you could just point me the way to the bathroom, please.
Oh, of course.
Wanyereka ahantu bashobora kwihagarika hanyuma ibindi ndaza gusohokamo nigendera. Bamwereka douche ngo bajya kwihagarika kumbe ntabwo ari byo ashaka. Shaka kurangiza Sam yamubonye muri uru rugo. Uriya mukobwa amenya nawe ikigabo kimuyiguye umukobwa cyamuyize kuva kera. Mwibuke neza ga filime gatangira. Umukobwa ari muri Turukiya, muri Turkey. Ko agakobwa kakinjiye ikigabo kirimo kiragahiga mu nzu biranga cunga neza kumbi ine sanseri ibamo boss ajyamo yagiye kumanuka hasi arabana hana manza gushyira ikarita kobwa yabivumbuye atinze ikigabo cyaramuhize shaho no mu byumba kitazi do cyaje cyita Gebo uyu numwicanyi
We'll pick him up.
mujyagurutse bamuze pick him up Mwongereza gakobwa kaje gakurikirana aho bajyanye mugenzi wako Sani ni hehe San Tegeko ryaje kagomba kumurangiza kataramurangiza nako muri iyi nyubako wari ushaka kukarangiza caherero kugira ngo agereyo yabonye aho yagombaga guca nukubanza gushyira ikarita kugira sanseri kumanura kabiri yarabanje abohereza ubutumwa.
She needs the bypass code for the alarm. Basement south side window.
I don't know. They can't like you very much because we got tipped off. You've got man, they haven't done anything.
Umuntu watuganirije kurimo kutuneka. Duhitamo kuza kugufata nta kibi nakoze. Baraseka.
You don't know where you are, do you?
Ntabwo uzahuritse ko.
Somewhere you don't belong. You should never have come.
Nta nubwo agomba gukora ibyo agomba.
You're dead.
Urumupfu.
Understand what I'm saying, Admiral?
Urumva icyo mvuga?
Now we're going to ask you some questions.
Ndakubaza ibibazo. Urumva, I'm going to ask you some questions.
I'll take this off. Oh, I'm not going to answer.
Bivuga ngo nanjye nkeneye ibisubizo n'inkubaza ibibazo.
Why? You're dead. So all you've got to decide
Birahita
is how much pain can you bear?
Icyo hitamo kiratuma utababara cyane.
You have a little think about that.
Urabitekerezaho.
Then you and I will have a little conversation.
We nanjye mukanya turatangira kuganira. Muze yacaho.
Who sent you?
Ninde wakohereje? Who sent you?
You. Who sent you to take my grandson?
Ninde wakwereze ngo ushimuta umwuzukuru wanjye? Mwibuke neza film itangira. Akana bagiye gushimuta umukobwa akagatabara. Kumba bari baje gushimuta ni bagenzi b'umukobwa bagira ngo umukobwa yibonera akazi muri uru rugo babone ko baruneka neza. Mukobwa mugenzi wari hasi bari banamubaza ngo ninde wamwohereje. Agakobwa gafite amabwiriza ko kujya kumurangiza mbere yuko atanga ubutumwa atanga amazimwe. Katrori.
You're clear.
I'm clear.
Biratunganye nati biratunganye. Abana bagiye guhura n'agakobwa aho kari.
Where she's been for the past year.
No, not a word. Actually, I was hoping you might know something.
Come on. Eden, if there's anyone she'd tell, it'd be you.
What makes you say that?
Mukobwa hari ikintu nakimwe yigeze akubwira cyangwa?
Now it's case.
Where's he headed?
He's booked on an early flight.
Wa mugabo asohotse na varisi afite, wa mugabo witwa Gebo. Umudage. Mujyamani koko yasohotse na varisi afite, batangira kwibaza aho arimo kwerekera. Bashaka kujya bamenye ninde buri muntu wese urimo gukorana na nyirurugo. Ubwo mbere yuko ajya kurangiza mugenzi we baje gusohokaho hanze.
They're keeping her son.
Lower basement.
Sani bamufungiye. Undi ati muri low basement hasi mu nyubako age na hasi.
No stairs. Magnetic key in the lift.
Kumanuka ntabwo byanyorohera na gatoyi. Hari
On the
babanza
wrist.
gukoresha imfunguzo.
Absorbed.
Zisa n'amakarita. Audio ntabwo irimo kuza neza. Kunga ko nakamajwi ugenda batega amajwi yose mu byo bavuga.
Don't you?
Uriteguye undi ati cyane.
If all of us get such a quick death, we'll be lucky. Did you get anything on Goebel?
Just the smell of his aftershave. He had a case with him.
Umugabo yaje ariko yari afite ivarisi yagendanye.
Crane wants you to find out what was inside it.
Icyangombwa boss rero Kill arashaka kugira ngo umenye neza n'iki cyari muri iriya varisi ya mudage azanye. Ujamani.
Nothing else to say.
Nta kindi.
You and Hassan weren't exactly best friends.
So now you think I set him up too, do you? Like I set you up in Tangier.
Hassan may be a prick, but he's not slow.
Ibyakubayeho muri Tangier muri aka kanya wigeze wowe ko wagupererezaho nibyo bigiye kuba kuri uriya musorano bamufatiye San.
I didn't set him up.
Ntabwo nigeze mugambanira ariko ninde se wamugambaniye San bamufashe bate.
At least now you're asking the right question.
Nanjye nibyo bibazo nari ndimo kwibaza. San uko bamufashe ni uyu mukobwa muri Tangier. Tangier mwibuka neza nitangira filime ari umukobwa ari uyu mukobwa ahantu bagenda bakamurasira. Atari yarokoka. Mugenzi we wundi bamufashe. Sasa uyu mukobwa inshingano ze nukujya kumurangiza mbere yuko agira amagambo atangaza yabakorera. Katurori. Mukobwa kasubiye mu nyubako.
Folks. Milk.
Mata.
Hero.
Yeza cyane.
Sam.
She's on it.
Sam mwavuganye undafite cyane.
Do them.
Shut up and eat your Weetabix, folks.
Well, now one of our mates is down. How do we get him out?
We don't.
Tugiye kujya kumukurayo cyangwa umva cyamukaraje. We don't. Ntago tumukurayo.
What do you mean we don't?
Uravuga iki ngo ntago tumukurayo? Uravuga iki ngo we don't?
Oh, bastard thinks Hassan tried to kidnap his grandson. He'll torture him to death.
Umva yenze gushimuta umugabo wakiri umwuzukuru wakiriye gisaza. Kiraza kumubaza kurinda apfuye.
He's already dead.
Yapfuye karawu ahubwo. He's already dead. Wiki? Wiki?
She's gonna kill Hassan.
Sam muramwohereje ngo ajye kwica Sani. Shizwe na Kesani.
What for?
Kubera
You
iki?
said it yourself. They'll
Ibitekerezo
torture him.
nawe.
He'll talk.
Ni ahandi niba mukubita bakamubabaza cyane araza kutuvuga.
Using Sam and the rest of us.
Araza kudushyira mu byago ndetse na Sam amushyire mu byago.
Puts us all at risk. Not
Aho kugira ngo twese tujye mu byago rero umwe arapfa twese tukaba amahoro.
operation.
Niko operation zikorwa. Niko imirimo ikorwa.
Sod this, I didn't sign up for killing our own
Yeah,
men.
you did, actually. You signed up for whatever by
Bivuga ngo tujye kwica muri twe we umunsi ujya muri aka kazi nawe wasinye ko ugomba gupfa mu gihe biri ngombwa.
doing. You're bloody well paid for it. Now sit down.
Icara
Sit
hasi.
down, we rescue him. Full
There are
stop.
circumstances
Tujya kumutabara niko bimeze.
under which any of us can be terminated.
Umwe muri twebwe bibaye ngombwa ko acaho bibaye ngombwa acaho.
Hassan understands that.
Hassan arabizi.
All Turner knows right now is that Hassan tried to kidnap his grandson.
Hassan arabizi ko yagiye gushimuta umwuzukuru uriya musaza. Hanyuma kandi arabizi bamufasha bari mu
Sam
kure.
reveals that he works for the Santiam. He compromises our
We
client
don't even know who our bloody client
and puts
is.
us all in danger. And
Twese ariko nta nubwo tuzi umuntu urimo kudukoresha uwo ari we usibye Keri we ubuzima bwacu bwa buri mu byago uriya musenza agumya uriya musuko agumya ari muzima.
is blown.
If Hassan talks, not if we rescue him first.
Hassan ntabwo yavuga tugiye kumutabara bwa mbere duhita tujya kumutabara nona.
Proves that he's a professional.
Ibyo ariko ntabwo bigaragaza ko tugiye kumutabara nona twamukurayo.
If he dies in custody, the damage is contained.
Kandi arapfira aho bamufungiye ibibazo n'ubundi byavutse yarangije kuvuga ibyo urumva ko tutabyemera.
And the operation continues.
Operation igomba gukomeza. Wiza n'umudomo hano. Nta muntu.
Unfucking
Ibi simbyizera. Kwica umwe muri twe simbyizera. Unbelievable.
monsters you are.
Muri bisimba. Ngo monsters you are. Ngo abo bose ni ibikoko. Rangije apaye n'uburakari yewe. Yarakarebye. Kumbe hakuno umuntu arimo aricwa koko. Oh, minyururu. Oh. Yuko irimo irahera. Oh. Duruba haye mabwiriza ajye kumurangiza n'umukobwa. Uyu mukobwa mwibuke neza avuze ko ari umuntu ushobora kuba yagambaniye San kugira ngo afatwe. San. Ikibazo uyu mukobwa nawe yaje guhura nacyo mwibuke film itangira ahantu hitwa muri Tangier bamurasira mu karesitora yari yicaye agiye kunywa icyayi ategereje mugenzi we. Mukobwa yamenye ko arimo abagambanyi. Ni ukuvuga ngo uba afite inshingano zo kuneka iki gisaza cya nyiri hano cya Tana. Muzehe Tana. N'uyu musore yitwa Steven Tana. Si ukuneka Tana gusa afite n'inshingano zo kumenya ninde muntu bakorana ukomeza kubatanga akabagambanira. Mukobwa arurwana intambara ebyiri. Akindi yakoze muzehe ngo wavuyeyo. Wamaze kubaza kiriya giswa ninde wakohereje? Muzehe sha afite imvugo shabo. Juva ku bantu bakoze hari umuntu akura maze agahiritira nk'ipusi kuze. Mukobwa aracunga byose akora acungira hafi.
Dad? What's that face for?
What did Bingham want?
Oh, nothing for you to worry about.
Nothing for me to worry about.
Byagenze bite ko wari wambeje?
Good, I suppose.
Nugira ikibazo musore muto. Byagenze bite?
What's your problem, son?
You saying I'm important to your business,
Ufite ikihe kibazo wambwiye ko ndi ingenzi kuri business.
shutting me out, pushing me away.
None muri kujya gukorana business n'abantu nimwe nimwe uramfungira mukambwira ngo nisoke.
Tell you certain things is because you're better off not knowing.
Mwana wanjye hari igihe biba ngombwa ko nakubwira ibya business zimwe na zimwe kuko biraruta kutazimenya.
You told me this was legitimate, that it was something
Muze wambwiye ariko ko ibintu ari inshingano zanjye ndetse ko ari ibintu bifatika tujye
I could be
gukora.
proud of.
And you can.
Kandi byanezeza none uranga ko mbimenya.
But
Bizakunezeza.
you don't respect me, do you?
Ntabwo unyubaha sibyo? You don't respect me do you? Ngo ntabwo unyubaha na gato ya data.
Never have.
Siko. Dore muzehe da. Ufite indangamuntu.
You want my respect.
Ushaka icyubahiro cyanjye.
Earn it.
Earn it. Giharanire. Oh, you want my respect? Earn it. Ushaka ko nkuba biharanire. Muze yarangije arisohokera. Igihugu cye nicyo cyafunze office. Kumbe muri office yabo dore kiriyo. kobwa bamubwiye ngo atangira atega amajwi ubu igihari ni ugutega amajwi si amajwi gusa yarabanje yinjira mu byandiko by'abandi uyu musaza agufashe shaho kwica umuntu ni nko kubwira ngo ubugari buraribwa cyangwa ntibumanuka n'amateke aramanuka ariya nigana nkanswe ubugari kunyerera amateke baramira nkanswe kubaratira ubugari uriya musaza haranganye n'abagabo bafite za miliyari nkanswe agakobwa nk'aka bohereje kumuneka tu kobwa vayo office amaze kuyitegamo iby'amajwi ashaka gutega bamuhaye udutega amajwi kumbe yibyewe n'ikarita izajya imanura muri esanseri nicyo gihe cyo kujya kureba wa wundi bamubwiye ngo ajye guhitana Asani baramuhondaguye naravuga ninde wamutumye gushimuta umwana wa muzehe umwuzukuru wa muzehe grandson filime mwebwe itangira umukobwa agomba kuza kuneka muri uru rugo harabaje gushimuta kana umukobwa yindura nk'utabara kana kwindura nk'utabara kana nibwo cyizere cyaje ngo naza barerera umwana ubu barerera umwana ni umusirikare kazi nguwo icyo ni ikintu numvishe izambe bazashomba byuma hajya kurembe bayashomba byuma kumbe ni umuntu ikintu gitambuka hano nk'uruntu rw'urubiba dore ngiki dore
come here
we ngwino hano
give me a hand with these boxes we'll take them out of the bag
Hebuke neza ko boss ejo bundi yabahimbye umushahara cyawupanga urumva n'amasogisi yarapaze na bote nshyashya murinde cyane marinde iki kobwa jayo inshingano ze murasizi mwese sinongera kuzisubiramo kobwa n'umusirikare ugambaniye umugabo ni nk'uwagambaniye umukobwa ahantu hitwa Tangier bafite uburyo rero bikoraho hakiri kare yarabanje avana yakana agenda nakameze nk'ahari kofi avanamo akantu kagashinge kanzugurunya n'akantu kagatambara arabanza murambikaho nuko agiye kumurangiza gashinge agiye kugakura mu isaha uretse
You know I can't.
urako kantu urabizi ko bidashoboka nawe amabwiriza you know I can't.
I shouldn't be here. Someone betrayed me. Someone on the team.
hari uwangambani ari muri twebwe umukobwa aramutera imbabazi umukobwa kumva agiye kumurangiza
Kill me. You will never find out who wants you dead.
nunyica ntabwo uzigera umenya ninde wo gushaka guri umupfu.
What are you talking about?
uravuga ibiki?
Why you went hiding? Why you came back?
ni impamvu wagiye kwihisha ni impamvu wagarutse wamaze umwaka wose utari mu kazi igihe bakurasiraga muri Tangier.
You going to bet your life on it? How else would I know? You didn't tell anyone, did you?
nta muntu n'umwe wigeze umenya ko arimo kukugambanira siko bimeze hari ugushaka uri umupfu nanjye nko bangambanira araka baranigambanira mu kigo cyabo ko yaragiye kumurangiza arangije uziki
Get off.
baza ukankure
No.
nona winyica nakubwira umuntu wakugambaniye ko garabyumvishe kumwicara bihagarika araka
How you talk?
ndambwira
He came to me.
yabanje kuza kuri iki
He had graying hair.
yari afite imisatsi grey hair imisatsi y'ibivi
A scar on his cheek.
afite n'inkovu ku itama rye a scar on his cheek ninde baraje uyu yaratangiye kubwira umukobwa ibye umukobwa arambabariye nta kumwica ako yaratangiye kumenyesha umushaka ari umupfu ngo uri ko yakije kiramureba nawe arakireba barimo barafata ibikumwe umukobwa atangiye kumenya ndamugambaniye mwibuke neza filime itangiye umukobwa ari muri Tangier bakamurasa mu nda n'uyu munsi urashinja bagenzi be ko ari bo bamugambaniye kandi koko birashoboka gusa uri yaramubwiye ngo ni umugabo w'imvi yarabanje aza kundeba afite inkovu afite n'isura kwitama hariwe inkovu umukobwa yaranje turori bisa naho ari bw'igitangira my friend is umugabo yaratangiye kubibwira umukobwa ntitwakomeza tugaruka kuri uruhande hari igisaza cyasaga naho kirimo kuzamuka mesikariya aho kigeni wo tutazi igisaza cyababaye gifite isura wajyaho ni igikeri wajyaho ni isura ya pipi ya cya pipi ukibonye ntiwanywa n'amazi mu gitondo gisa nabi gusa yewe mu gitondo mafite fresheri wajya ngo ni saa sita z'amanywa fresheri niziya zimvaho hari abandi mu gitondo wajya gukubitana nawe ukamubaza niko mu kanwa waraye ushigisha ni ibiki abo ni ba pipi ibiko musanga byamanutse mu mata byinjiye no mu matwi kumbe dore umuntu ufite imisatsi y'ibivi afite n'inkovu kwitama menye ari wo washaka wakwica wa mukobwa sinzi katurori twumvisha wa wundi kuntu yabwiraga umukobwa ngo yara mwiriwe
Miss Emma Freeman?
Yes.
Lieutenant Colonel Cooley.
banyita Lieutenant Colonel Kano Cody. Lieutenant Kano Cody. Lieutenant Colonel Cody.
May I come in?
Nakwinjira?
Sure.
Nta kibazo. Lieutenant Colonel ni umusirikare mukuru babita ba senior officers. Babari ba senior, baba barenze.
How can I help you, Colonel?
Colonel, nagufasha ne? How can I help you, Colonel?
Sorry to disturb you at this hour.
Ihangane kukurusha muri aya masaha bwije.
Looking for this woman.
Ndimo ndashaka uyu mudamu. I'm looking for this woman.
You served in the Special Reconnaissance Regiment together, did you know?
Mwarakoranye muri Special Regiment muri kumwe. Ya reconnaissance. Bakoranye mu rwego rw'ubutasi.
It's ages since we've spoken.
Hashize imyaka myinshi kuva navugana naheruka kuvugana.
No idea how I may locate her.
Wamenya haru namusanga umuntu arimo gushaka ni wa mukobwa Sam. Iki nicyo gisaza kuko kigenda gitanga umukobwa ngo nibamwice. Nacyo gisaza ngo cyamutanze bamwice muri Tangier.
Friends.
Bari inshuti.
Family.
Sam was a private person.
Sam yari umuntu ku giti cye wiberaho nkaho ari kumwisi wenyine.
I was about the only friend she had, really.
Ni jewe inshuti yenyine yari afite.
What's this about, anyway?
Ibi ni iki? Ni ukubera iki?
Look, I'm sorry, but I can't help you.
Ihangana ariko sinanagufasha.
You can.
Wabikora. Aya! Oh! Yewe data we. Mukobwa ati mbabarira sinagufasha urebe ukuntu wamubwira ngo wamfasha.
Look, I'm sorry, but I can't help you.
Ihangane sinagufasha.
I think you can.
Wamfasha. Filimira. Wanted. Hunted. Yiswe umuhigo. Amaze kumuha arimo gukoraho silencer. Nawe urashaka kuba budamuhisha afite n'akana. Ako kana cyarakarebye niba nako cyaragahaye nibyo ntazi. Dore uwo kirimo guhiga Sam nguyu. Sam nawe ni umusirikare kazi. Mwibuka nawe mukanya hari uwo yaragiye guha. Agiye kumuha undi aramubwira ati nuramukumpaye ntabwo uri bumenye ninde uguhiga. Ikimuhiga ni kiriya gisaza tubonye. Mwayitangiye nutayirangiza birakureba. Yiswe Hunted. Yes, karibu. Nana riragiye. Kuriya mukobwa apfuzize iki? Kicwe n'uburoro. Kicwe n'ifumbe. Kirwaye ifumbe cyanya kwicwa n'uburoro. Yawe ufite indwara mbe uzi kwicwa n'uburoro n'ifumbe. Naromiwe. Sam ubwo yaje kunekura urugo akana kabo karagakunda akuzukuru ka muzehe Tana Jack Tana niko muzehe yitwa ko bwarongeye aricara kigabo kimuhaye amakuru yaragiye kugihitana kiramubwira ngo uramutse unyishe ntabwo uzamenye ninde ushaka uri umupfu atangira kwibuka byinshi aribuka kiri mutoya kirakana umunsi umwe nyina bamwisha areba bamwisha kiri muto kuva icyo gihe ntabwo umukobwa yari yaruhuka n'ubu inzozi ziramuzira ari umupfu akibuka ukuntu nawe bamujyanye umukobwa kuva icyo gihe yigiriye mu gisirikare ibintu byose abyibikaho agahinda n'amarira n'akababaro byose biri kuri we ntabwo biramuvamo Sam yibuka byinshi nta muntu ajya abwira byinshi afata inshingano z'akazi ikindi kimubabaza ubu ngubu nuko ari mu kazi akazi arimo n'indyango rye gusa nanone abo bakorana nawe nabo baramuhiga baramushaka ari umupfu muri Tangier baramurashe ntiyapfa kandi buri wagupimye rimwe n'ubwa kabiri ashobora kugaruka igisaza turakibonye kirimo kugenda kimushaka ngo yari muri regiment ya reconnaissance regiment ishinzwe iperereza umukobwa kumba aho hari uko arimo gutekereza bisa naho aho ari hakuno ibintu bisa naho bimurenzeho arahe arageza he aho kugarukira isana arahazi urugo yamaze kurugeramo maraneka abantu ibiro bya boss arabyinjiramo buri kanya do giye kugera ari byandiko yari yabonye masanga babikuyemo muri icyo gitondo
Good morning, everyone.
Morning, Alex.
Mwaramutse waramutse Alex.
Coffee, Alex. This is Sidwood makes what made possible.
Agakawa, Madame Sirara Kabu.
I'll try it soon.
I'll have some tea then.
I'll get it for you, Miss Kemp. Would you like some eggs?
Mutuji.
How's your cereal?
Do you like chocolate?
Of course.
uri murarya iki?
All chocolate.
Nanjye nkunda shokora nawe arizo baguha.
It's perfect to me.
Byiza kuri kiyewe nanjye.
Eddie was eating the most extraordinary chocolatey, peanut buttery
Reese's Puffs.
Reese's Puffs, that's it.
They're my favourite.
Thank you.
I'm just gonna
Izo
skip.
nizo za shokora nkunda kumbuye ngo tw'umwana arimo gufata nawe nitwafata. Akana karamukunda ntabwo kazi ko ari umunetsi mu rugo.
Talking of which, it's time you were off.
Mwana mutoya ni igihe cyo kwifata ukerekera ku ishuri gira vuba vuba.
I'd be delighted.
Biraza kunezeza nimugeza ku ishuri mzee. Mwaramutse papa?
Morning.
Mwaramutse.
No breakfast for me, Mrs. S.
Madam nanjye micyakura cyanjye. Muzee shareba nabuye umukobwa buri ukwaje. Yungu cyo nicyo cyamuzanye mu rugo. Tugari yatarya. Mfite ikibazo cyuriya musaza. Zaramukeka na wale. Hey.
Ready, Alex?
Tugende.
Give me a
Alex.
second, I'll be right back.
Alex arabanza areba se umukuru wa kakana yicayeho yari yicaye naza kumureba.
Can I have a word?
Twagira ijambo tuvugana. Can I have a word?
Really appreciate what you've tried to do for me.
Nezezwa nibyo wagerageje kunkorera nibyo wagerageje kumpa.
Eddie's a wonderful boy, but
Nakazi wampaye ko kureberera umwana wawe Eddie n'umwana mwiza ariko
can't stay.
ntabwo naguma hano hantu.
Why not?
Can't stay. Kubera iki? Papa itacaho. Kubera iki?
Pretty clear your father doesn't want me here.
Uko bigaragara papa ntabwo nshaka muri uru rugo nanga kubangamira abantu ntabwo ari byo bingenza siko navutse kumbe kirashaka kubabangamira ahubwo byanyabyo cyaje kumibangama imwe mu rwego rwo hejuru.
He's a very difficult man.
Data ni umugabo utoroshye urumva.
He tries to bully everyone.
Agerageza kugaragariza buri muntu wese ko amurutaho.
You're the first person that Eddie's made any connection with since his mother died.
Uriya mwana wanje niwe muntu wa wenyine mwana wanje yishimiye Eddie kuva nyina yapfa. Ndakwinginze guma hano. Urumva? Sawa.
I don't know.
Ndahaguma ariko ngiye nanga kubangama. Uyu mukobwa cyane umubangamye shaho. Bibaye na ngombwa araguhitana. None ngo yanga kubangamanya kwitwa n'imbaragasa. Nanga kubangama nta kindi nibyo nakwisabiraga.
Wakey.
Kago kashaka kago.
You son. Last chance. Who sent you?
Amahirwe yanyuma ninde wakohereje. Kimutera ikinure. Magasi. Uzehe nta mikino afite. Kandagira umuntu. Boss sigawe kwiyanduza boss mbabarira kwiyanduza boss. Abagasi turi hano. Boss acaho uyaravurura. Bahunda gweshaho. Kumba bakomando hakuno dore bagenzi burimo gukubitwa.
Stop that.
Nari bimuraryote.
Stop what?
Wandetse nkirira ibintu by'ibintuza
Chinese Industries Group manages and operates utilities in 6 countries. Net assets in excess of £100 billion. Buys a lot of egg rolls, that goes.
You're obviously telling us this for a reason.
The Chinese are considered the leading bidder in Pakistan's proposed sales of the Upper Khyber.
Abashinwa Upper Khyber Dam urwa rugomero rwenda kugurwa rwayo rwa essence abashinwa niyo bari ku rwego rwo hejuru bashobora kuzahabwa urwo rugomero.
Done what?
Tana turimo turamuneka ntabwo tuzi Tana afite angahe.
Curious? What bloody client is paying?
Shaka kumenya umukiriya watubwiye ngo tuneke Tana icyo ashaka amafaranga afite nangahe kugira ngo tumenye na Tana ko atazatsindira urugomero cyangwa azarutsindira.
Kill our own man.
You're not meant to know.
Why not?
Ntabwo nshaka kumenya ibyo ngibyo jewe kubera iki?
In the special forces we at least knew who we were fighting for.
Twebwe muri special force ntari nayivamo ngo nze muri mwebwe ahangaha. Twajyaga dutabara abagenzi bacu ukemeruka namupfira urimo kumutabara none mwebwe muravuga ngo tumurangirizeyo.
Kill will decide what you need to know.
We kill ahitamo icyo dukora.
Don't speculate on who the client is.
Wigerageza kandi kuzana ibintu by'urugambo urimo gutombatomboza ngo umukiriya wacu ninde.
Relation leads to assumption. Assumption leads to mistakes. And mistakes will get you killed.
Kuko iyo utangiye gutombaguza genda utombotomboza bituma utangira kuzana amagambo adakwiye rimwe na rimwe atuma upfa.
You understand?
Uranyumva? Utombatomboza muri iyi mirimo turimo nta utombatomboza bamo. Kumba mukobwa akana kajyanye ku ishuri baramubonye Sam arimo kugenda akana kajyana ku ishuri asize wa mugenzi wabo afunze Sunny Sun.
You want me to walk you in?
Urajya ngo ujyane mu ishuri ndani.
After.
Bana karahakana ni ishuri ry'abakira abana abakire bonyine nibo bigira hano ugomba kuba wambaye karuvati. Va kuri babana biwanyu bamenyereye kwambara ibikabutura bivi bikajya hanze. hano nta bikabutura reka da n'abana ba boss bambara nk'abakire bajya umwana nawe afite uruganda costume ukambara neza ukajya mu ishuri. Hey hano umubyeyi adamu mwana wa harya wambara ikabutura kangahe ikivi kigasohoka wajya uninga siriri hanze cyangwa ikintu cy'igisyo urusyo cyangwa yagize gutya arimo kugenda mugenza abona kakana karasa n'agafite ikibazo nta nyina kagira.
Emma Freeman, who served in
London mu burasirazuba bwayo, mudamu witwa Freeman yarashwe ijoro ryakeye. Yarashwe n'umwicanyi utamenyekanye. Mudamu ageze gutya yumva umuntu ati yewe
Can you drop me off over there? I'm going to walk home.
wangerageza kungeza imbere ahandi hasigaye ko ndi bugende n'amaguru. Umukobwa yaje kumva umuntu bakoranye mu gisirikare muri Afghanistan bari muri regiment y'ubutasi yarashwe. Kabwa yashatse kujya ajye kureba ninde Sekisa ninde warashwe kumbe Mr. Kill boss.
Like you're thinking about how Hassan got taken.
Bad luck, I guess.
Natekerezaga kuntu Hassan yaje gufatwa.
This man must have seen him in the street.
Bagomba kuba bamufanye muhanda. Niko bimeze ariko ari uwamutanze.
It's much more probable, isn't it, that Hassan was betrayed?
Hassan yaje kubugambanirwa. Numwe muri twe dukorana nawe.
We suspect there's a mole on the team. Surely Sam's told you you're her handler after all.
It's not me, if that's what you're thinking.
Sam yigeze kugukeka uko ushobora kuba ari wamugambaniye muri Tangier kuko warushana G. None ubu ngubu ndashaka kumenya niba ari wowe undategeka dasi je Mr. Kill boss. Ninde?
My impression? Does she seem the same to you?
Wabyifashe muti?
Do you perceive her capabilities to have diminished in any way?
No. I don't perceive that, not at all.
Usa nawe ushobora kuba wavuga ibintu bisa nawe bidahura ndatireka dasi njya nabeshya jewe nari.
I've assured our client will carry out the operation as planned, but I'm beginning to wonder if that's true.
Ndibaza niba wadutumye kugira tube twamunekera uriya mugabo ibintu byazagenda neza kuko ndabona ibintu bisa naho birimo kugenda bihinduka bamwe muri twe baragambanira abandi. Simbaza ariko.
Sam's the best operative Byzantium have got.
Sam numwe mbantu bizwizeye cyane bashobora kudukorera akazi. Bari muri
If Sam does anything unusual, anything at all,
nubona ikidasanzwe cyari cyose kuri Sam,
I want you to report to me.
Ndagira ngo uzame raporo. Uranyumva? I want you to report me. Ndaticyane. Ciao. Tegeko nukutangira nawe kurikirana Sam. Nagira icyabona kidasanzwe azatange kwa boss Rugambo. Kumbe Sam yaje mu rugo kwa wa mushuti we bakoranye muri Afghanistan niwe nshuti yonyine ngo yari afite mu buzima. Tugagiye kujya mu rugo kumurwo wapfuye asanga polisi yahagaze bazinze uwo mazu nta muntu upfa kuhakata. Gusa nk'umusirikare kazi warwanye muri Afghanistan. Kumba gushaka haca dore abakomando buzuye urugo. Shonganwa no yaciyeho nawe araka. Umuntu bamupimye sha amaraso aracyari ku kirahure do. Cyamurashe ni cya gisaza kibivi. Gifite n'inkovu kwitama. Sam Mutasi. Tururi. Debye neza sanga umuntu kuntu bamupimye. Tatangira gufotoramo. Menyana kakana cyakishe. Aho kari ifoto niye hari. Aho kari gahagaze n'amaraso arahuzuye. Mwicanye ni mubi cyane. Kwica umugore n'umwana we. Sam yarebye neza mu mafoto koko bari inshuti nibo bari inshuti yo wenyine kandi Sam nubwo bari inshuti ntabwo yajyaga amubwira byinshi. Ibintu yakundaga kubyibikaho no kubyibikamo. Raka Sam kize gutya ngo arebe hano abaza kunamira umupfu bamwunamiye uzana indabyo arazana nukunamira wapfuye. Nakwizera isi hari umugambanyi barimo uwaje kwica mugenzi we yashakaga uyu nguyu Sam ko garakwereka ava mu rugo arimo kugenda kumbe dore umwicanyi nyuma ye. Oh, Lieutenant Colonel. Lieutenant Colonel. Uze! Mwicanyi. Kobwa karihuta n'abasirikare bombi katurore. Kigabo kiramukurikira kishisha babiri niwe gishaka cyane cyane. Katurore. Iri kambwe rikuru. Yeto nako nene afite ibirenge bitambitse ariko my friends araguha mu minota mike yo kabuciyeho. Wa mu kiganira kimwe bibiri akaba yaguhaye. Ubwo ari huta kirakurikira. Ndafata target nitonze mwenjereye. Ndafata target mwenjereye. Uze! Ikobwa kiramucika. Saza ari hano. Ikobwa aramucitse. Yawe! Bas.
Wanted me?
Warashaka?
Oh, here I am.
Di hano.
Here I am!
Di hano!
Who do you work for?
Ukorerande. August!
Who do you work for?
Ukorerande. Who do you work for? Uze! Para changa! Basirikare! Bombi n'abasirikare! Tunakorera ku mukobwa? Lieutenant Colonel. Lieutenant Colonel Cody. Yitwa Cody. Oh! Gamba! Bunda biranga! Bunda! Yewe! Oh! Chuma! Mujituzi! Wabga! Na wana chichombi chuma mutugu! Bunda! Koga iruka twere kira kumbunda kigabo nacho chaho! Aya! Kiragiye gusa kibonye isura. Wa musaza bamubwiye ufite inkovu kwitama akajya n'imisatsi y'umweru. Banaga mubaza ngo ukorera nde? Who do you work for? Ngabo yanze kuvuga. Kobwa yagiye gutaha. Namba afite geto wabaye iki? What the hell happened to you? Cyakugendekeye bite?
You slept.
Walking down some steps.
Nagendaga mu mesikariye ndasitara. Wiki?
Sit.
Icara hasi. Bavuze ko yasitaye. Icara.
Sit.
Ndavuze ngo icara. Kobwa yababaye koko. Chuma mu gituza. Hey!
Sam, you do realize we have a chip that needs removal. Q wants to know why you haven't executed the order.
Maybe he wants to.
Sam, uzi ko dufite umuntu ugomba kujya gutunganya uri ahantu urimo gukorera muri iyi minsi.
He's wondering if you've lost your edge.
You tell him. Turner keeps the mag key with him 24/7.
Umubwire ko aho wonja kumurangiriza bamurindira amasaha 24 kuri 7 ku minsi 7.
Mag pick should help.
Kora ibishoboka. Kumbe wawe ndicyamurira abashaka.
One way or another, you have to get down there.
Urasubirayo.
And take him out.
Uze kumurangiza umwica.
I don't.
Nintabikora.
There'll be consequences.
Hagomba kuba ingaruka urabizi. There will be consequences.
For Byzantium and for you.
Kuri jewe ndetse nawe. Urabyumva ni wanga kumurangiza. Oh. Ingaruka ziba zihari.
You want to tell me some more about those steps?
Wambwire ukuntu wanyereye aho ubwiye wanyereye. Ntabwo nabikubwira nta kintu nabikubwira.
Whatever you like.
Look, I will help.
Kill ndamubwira icyo ushaka.
Let me.
Ndagufasha n'ubishaka. Umva.
If I could trust you.
Nanjye nakubwira iyo nza kuba nari kukwizera.
I'll do with her, Sam.
Nabinige gusubira mu kazi.
Watch yourself, Sam.
Wichonge Sam.
There's a lot of steps in this city.
Koko nibonyereye kuri escalier maze ugakomereka bingana bityo umenye ko wibusiyemo escalier menshi. There are a lot of steps in the city. Oh, escalier ziragwira. Kobwa yaramuhishe. Ibyo akora byose n'amabanga. Kumba umukobwa ntabwo agarukiraho gusa. Iriya gate araramo afitemo na kumba nta muntu ubizi. Akumba agenda akiga kuri buri muntu wese akeka. mugenzi we ngo yagenda aramubwiye ngo yitonde niba yanyereye agakomereka bingana kuriya ngo amenyereye ku mesikariye uyu mujyi urimo amesikariye menshi umubwiye iby'amesikariye ngo uyu hakuno nta muntu rega udafata ku masogisi kereka abantu nkanjye twihangana gusa tukavuga turihanganye mugenzi we yavuye kuvugana na Sam ajya mu masogisi Sam yinjira mu kumba ku ruhande aho akorera ajya kwinekera ibye amakamera y'umujyi nawe arayakurikirana 24 ku yandi tangira kwiga kuri cya kigabo Lieutenant Colonel Cody Lieutenant Colonel Cody yiga no kuri wa mugenzi we wapfuye burahamanitse agafoto tangira kwiga kuri abo bantu kigabo yasohoye ifoto yacyo acyagomba kukigaho mu nzu ye ariko zakumba afitemo aragenda agasutama akinjiramo hasi agahinduka amenyo
Really looking forward to working with you.
Yibuka sana mubwira ngo umugabo wakubazaga afite inkovu kwitama yibuka byinshi muri Tangier yibuka mu Faransa bari kumwe mwibukaga filime gatangira
Someone betrayed me, someone on the team.
kugambaniye ari muri twe tangira kwibuka cya kigabo
Me, you will never find out who wants you dead.
Nunyica ntabwo uzigera umenya ninde gushaka uri umupfu
I said, who do you work for?
Korerande Sam yibuka afashe cya kigabo ashaka kumenya ninde mugambanyi mu bantu bose kumbe dore mugenzi we agomba kurangiza ngo uyu hano hasi
It's okay.
akira
What you could do with a drink.
fata gutuza usomeho baguhondaguye kuvejo ibipfunsi zabikizwa n'iki n'amazi ebiwe datawe ndine n'amazi aramukora niko naye arakubabaje se barakubita umuntu baramufite
Jack's eldest boy was murdered.
umuhungu wa Jack wa mbere yarishwe
It's Packers that did it. Every time he looks at a bloke like you, he sees the one that killed his boy.
Jack asigaye yirinda cyane cyane ku muryango we rero yabonye abantu nk'abo bashaka kugenda ku bana be
I admire the way that you tried to take the boy. It's very professional.
gusa uburyo wendaga gushimutamo kariya kuzukuru ke wari umuhanga cyane wari uje mu buhanga none ninde wakohereje
I could save you a lot of suffering.
nakutabara ntubabare cyane nakwica vuba ngufashije ariko niwanga kuvuga urababara kandi upfubaye cyane urumva ko byibuze wambwira kujya gupfa vuba
Fingerprints that we took last night.
ibikumwe byawe twafashe ijoro
The
ryakeye
results back in 1 or 2 hours and then we'll know who you are.
ni mu masaha nk'abiri turaza kumenya uwo uriwe
It won't just be you who suffers.
ntabwo ari wowe wenyine uri
Your
wowe
family.
n'umuryango wawe turawugiramo
Kill them all.
bose baricwa Jack asa umuntu w'imikino nta mikino rwose yarababaye yihagurukira ngo mu masaha nk'abiri cyangwa imwe ibisubizo biraba byaje by'uyu wari we n'umuryango urababara bamukubise shabu
That's Dave Ryder. He's no buddy of Jack's from his days at the docks.
uriya yitwa Dave
Does he have a record?
nawe n'umwe mu bantu bakunda kuza kwa Jack
15 counts of bodily harm, arson, extortion go back to 1968.
Dini yakoze nawe ibintu byose bitemewe kuva muri za 68 1968 Stevie mwana wanjye muraho Dini saza ari hano ngo ni inshuti y'umuryango ariko inshuti y'umuryango idasobanutse yakoze bitemewe byose mu myaka ya za kera Sarahari
Here he is.
Goyo
Just a moment, Stevie.
Mezute Stevie waduhakanya muze buri munsi uko abashyitsi baje ahita yirukana igihugu cye cya Stevie
What?
iki
Ain't nothing anyway.
ntacyo wamamagaye ngo nize none nanjye ndaje ngaho icarira muze nta kindi yavanyeyo yahise iriya varisi ari kuri miki ivarisi yazanywe n'umudage sasa muzehe Jack Tanner
A few $100 million, give or take.
ndagira ngo uyinjyanire ugende uyibike nzayigusaba igihe cya nikigera
Respect. It's my future in there.
ahazaza hanjye ari mama
Yours.
kandi nawe urumva ivarisi uyirinde neza
Bingham found anything?
Picked him up last night. Swarthy piece of shit.
You're in your element.
This is about my grandson.
Yeah, well, of course it is.
Suppose you want a drink?
niba ushaka icyo kunywa umbwire hanyuma ibyo byose ndimo kubikora kubw'umwuzukuru wanjye barategurira umwuzukuru we kumbe Sam nawe aragarutse Sam
Alex, there you are.
Sorry, were you looking for me?
No, look, of course.
uragarutse ndetse cyane mwashakaga
Yeah, I was getting a bit worried.
nari nangiye kukwibaza impamvu utari hano
Wasn't easy, but I found her in the Marylebone High Street.
Ntabwo byari binyoroheye nabanje gushaka utwo ndi buhe umwana nawe akaryaho.
I feel like an idiot.
Akoje umwana wanjye mwitaho rwose ibintu biranezeza.
Kent, this is Dave Ryder. He's an old family friend. Alex is helping us look after Eddie for a while.
Alex asigaye yita ku mwana wanjye. Bite muri aho. Uze kumba afite ivarisi yazanywe n'umudage. Umudage ni engineer wahi. Uriya mudage waje abeshya ko ari engineer mwibuke n'umwicanyi. Uyu nawe ajyana ivarisi kuyibika n'umusaza. Ivarisi nibazi kirimo baje kuneye ku rugo bamenye ibintu byose birufataho.
We need to know what's in that case.
Tukeneye kumenya niki kiri muri iriya varisi. We need to know what is in that case. Ngende genda ushaka uburyo bimenye. Mujyanirana.
How are you gonna stop him then?
You'll see.
Turamuhagarika dutese kugira tumenye kiri muri iriya varisi. Uraza kubibona giye ko ndi bumuhagarike. You will see. Abanyamugi ntabwo wabura ukuntu umenya ikintu kiri mu ivarisi y'umuntu. Kumuhagarika byo ni barabimenya byanze bikunze uburyo bari bumuhagarikemo. Yavuze ko ari bubikore. Baramukurikiranye rwa benzi bimwe bya kera. Asa n'abamuzenguruka.
NG.
I know. We'll cut him off at the one-way system.
Turahurira imbere nawe ndabizi. Uyu muhanda uragenda ugahinguka imbere. Raka.
Right, well, how are you going to stop him then, Einstein?
Watch and learn.
Kuchahagaze wewe komeza uncunge. Watch my move. Araza ko yakaje kumbe hano hari parking z'utugari. Yeho ageze imbere. Yaraka. Ukamuhagaritse tayari agakobwa nako kavayo.
Oh, for Pete's sake! You blind or something?
Waramuritse nako warahumye cyangwa. Muze ni wowe utamuritse.
You hit me!
Urangonze.
Not my bad.
Amaze aragenda. Ivarisi y'umusaza yatezeho akantu.
Is this a joke?
Abasirikare.
Soft tissue damage. I could be suffering for years.
Ushobora kuba ndwaye indwara idakira maze imyaka myinshi nawe uraza upfa kungonga.
Give me your insurance information.
You ran into me, you little...
Neretse bigaragaza ko kubayo muze. Urangonga warangiza kukandi ngo ibindanga. Mbese ko wa muntu.
The hell you...
Bamagarira abapolisi. Mubahamagare. Eske. Muzasubira mu modoka kumbe bamurangije. Tukiburangije. Tukivuyeho ikirego. Tayari muze yagiye atazi ko ivarisi ye ibicometseho bashobora kumenya byose birimo.
Put that bike away, idiot.
Igare ry'abandi barisigana. Igare ry'abandi warishubijeho. Uko warisanze. Subizayo muri parikingi. Abanyaburayi bateye imbere n'amagare agira parikingi yayo n'amamodoka akagira hayo. Ntabwo ari ukugenda ibintu byose upfa kugira uko ubonye. Saka jagari. Sam. Nicyo gihe nako kanya Sam kumanuka hasi. Jya kureba mugenzi we. Alex. Kent mukobwa. Mwibuke Sani arimo hasi. Hassan. Mukobwa nuko kinjira ugasigaye karakoze ikintu cy'igikarita sinza aho kacyubanuje. Karimo karaca muri esanseri ya boss. Boss niwe ugira ikarita wenyine ko nako karayikoze. Nyuma kumanuka hasi kubitana n'umupagasi wawo ubatekera.
Which floor? Ground floor, please.
Ugiye nyahakana hasi. Iri kambwe. Nyahakana hasi.
Does Eddie like horseback riding? Did he mention it? Oh, I found a photo album under his bed.
Uriya mwana akunda amafarasi.
Turner used to take him.
Nyina yajyaga
Still has a pony at the stable, but he doesn't go.
Umwana ntabwo akijyayo gusa yajyaga ajyanayo kera na nyina akamujyana ku ifarasi. Sinzi rwose cyeca atanga urugambo kumbe uyu nguyu yihindiye nk'ari akana arimo gutekerezaho cyane. Uraje?
Look for some of his writing things in the basement.
Ihangane nanjye nashaka kureba ko nabona ahantu byibuze niba hari naho babikaga ifarasi muri iyi nyubako nta kindi. Agiye kureba mugenzi we.
You want to see me?
Urashaka kumbona? Muze umuhungu waza kumureba.
You're making a bloody fool of yourself.
I don't know what you're talking about.
The girl.
She tried to leave today because of you.
You've been played, Stevie.
And you're cutting...
Stevie, uriya mukobwa yakomeje kugukina urumva ntabwo mushaka hano yaragiye kugenda kubera wowe
as much as Dave Ryder.
I told you there's some things you don't need to know.
Mwana wanje ari ibintu nkubwira rimwe na rimwe udashaka kubimenya.
You wanted me to take over one day.
Wambwiye ariko ku munsi umwe nzana gusimbura muze.
I'm stronger than you think.
Mfite intege kurusha kubikeka. I'm stronger than you think. Mfite ubushobozi kurusha kunyeka muze. Ndakomeye.
Strong, eh?
Urakomeye? Stronger. Urakomeye. Ngaho ngwino.
Let's just see how strong you are.
Tujende debe kukomeye. Muze. Niba agiye kumupimira nibyo n'ubutamba wasanga bagiye gukina ingumi. Kuseka nabi. Imbata. Uzajyana umuhungu amujyana muri basement hasi amwe bafungiye umuntu. Ngo agiye kumupima. Wakurikiwe na wa mukobwa Alex. Na muzanye uruhande.
This is the bag of shit that tried to take little Eddie. You want to show me how strong you are?
Shakunyereka imbaraga ufite ubushobozi bwawe. Ugukomera kwawe. Wanna show me how strong you are vana ikintu. Ikintu cy'igifera beto ngahaki.
Take it.
Mwice.
Take it.
Akira mwice.
Well, now's your chance, son.
Amahirwe yawe.
Crush his skull in if you want to.
Niba ushaka ko mwizera. Bikore. Muze. Nibwo uri munambwira kuri yakobwa ngo n'ururugo. Ngaho tangira se.
Do it.
Bikore. Do it.
Do it.
Bikore. Tinya kubikora.
I think so.
Ntabwo ariko nabikekaga.
I didn't bloody think so.
Ntabwo nigeze nkeka wazavamo n'umugabo na rimwe. Muze yava yese urugongo do. Musaza ari hano. Cyari cyana nk'iki ngiki. Wajya ngo ndikeneye akuntorye. Ibintu nk'ibi ni ibiki? Cyajagaye. Kumbi cyari kimushimutse. Kuki wabikoze? Yamushimutse umwana umunsi umwe. Kuki? Bwaramubabaje cyane yewe. Kubera iki? Nta mutima mubi kigira. Ibintu byo kwica ntabwo bikibamo. Nta murage mubi wabo bigeze bamusigira nubwo se ari umwicanyi. Yarabyanze mugenzi. Ibyo se akora ntabwo yabikora. Niba ari ubukungu azabushaka neza vayo. Pagasi. Pagasi wari urinze kumbe ka Samu kinjiye. Pagasi. Jimwe! Sam!
It's good to see you too.
What's the plan?
You tell me who tried to kill me.
Gahunda iriye, gahunda urambwira ndi washaka kunyica.
After you set me free.
Kere kubanje kumfungura after you set me free.
Jill, I ran into your friend. He didn't introduce himself, so you tell me his name.
Nahuye na nshuti yanjye wambwiraga. Ntabwo yigeze anyibwira mbwira izina rye.
I don't know his name. Give it to me.
What did he say to you?
Yakubwiye iki? What did he say to you?
If you came back to Byzantium, you might get 100,000 quid if I gave him your head.
Yamaye ibihumbi 100 by'amadolari ngo nibisa n'umutwe wawe. 100,000 bucks if I give him your head. Nta kindi wambwira.
Okay. I'm telling you now. But watch yourself though. You may have gone to someone else on the team.
Yarambuze menya yaragiye gufata undi muntu mu ikipe.
We got the results back on his prints. There's no match anywhere.
Dore ibyo twabonye mu bikumwe bye.
It's a ghost.
Uriya mugabo asa n'umuzimu. Ntaho yanditse nta ndangamuntu agira nta byangombwa.
There's nothing else.
He must have given you a number. To contact him.
Ugomba kuba waramuhamagaye yaguhaye nimero.
That's all. I'm telling you the truth now. Cut me loose from this.
Ndakubwiza ukuri nta kindi nzi mbabari mfungure. Kumbe hari abandi baje. Bamenye ko kiriya kigabo batakimenye bagomba kujya kukirangiza. Umukobwa kumba aracyariyo. Alex yabonye ikigabo gisa nawe kimubwira ukuri. Sibye ko bari bamwohereje ngo akirangize sinzi ko ari bukifungure katurore. Fungura. Cut me loose. Uragifungura.
Your fingerprints.
Shira ibikumwe byawe batavuga ko ari wagwaye iki gifera beto. Banza. Muri wa uri hasi gifera beto. Je, asama mujyaho. Alex, atanye no Alex. Muze kumbaraje. Ugamba, nambara. Alex. Tera beto yeguka mu rugongo gongo. Kobwa yaramugiriye neza amufunguye gishatse kandi kumwica aricyo. Yarakirangije arangije. Kobwa ahita ciao, boss nawe araje. Filime iraha. Bose agiye kuhagera asanga mupagase we wa mbere ari hasi nakiriya kiri hasi na fera bete mu mugongo ubwo kumba ari maracika yavuye aho nawe umumenye. Ka telefoni Alex arahamagaye. Kent wa mukobwa Sam yamurangije. Nuko amakuru arimo guhitahitana mu nta yamwishe nibyo kigingara.
Happy now, are you?
Muranezerewe nibyo?
You think that you're a bigger idiot than I thought you were.
Naketse kuri mukuru kumbura uruzingo gusa ruraho. Bagisigaho bose. Kirazana ibintu by'amasantima mu kazi. Majyo baragwira. Alex arangije kuvayo.
You're late.
Eddie had trouble sleeping.
What's anything happened?
Umwana yagize ibibazo byo kudasinzira.
His son got loose. The guard killed him before succumbing to his own injuries.
Yashatse gucika umurinzi aramwica nawe yicana n'umurinzi hanyuma nuko byagenze sijya murangije.
This has something to do with those steps you fell down.
Uyu muntu wapfuye hari sana afitanye na yama escalier wambwiye ngo wanyereyeho wa mukobwa bishe.
Served together in Afghanistan.
Umukobwa mwararwanye murarwanira muri Afghanistan.
They killed her to get to you, didn't they?
Bamwishe barimo kumukubaza siko bimeze.
To flush you out.
Kuya bakurangiza.
The longer you stay, the worse it's going to get.
The longer you stay, the worse it's going to get. Uko komeza kugumina niko ibintu biri bukuzambane kurushaho.
Go, Sam.
Genda Sam.
Before it's too late.
Mbere yuko ukererwa. Before it's too late. Genda va muri aka kazi wongere wisubira aho wavuye. Mbere yuko ukererwa. Umukobwa muri uyu mujyi arimo arahigwa. Bamuhaye job agomba gukora. Atari yarangiza job umukobwa barimo baramuhiga. Ibi ni iki? Katurori. Bamurasiye muri Tangier wamugambaniye niwe tutazi. Boss kumbe dore boss wabo kill yihorera amahoteli amwe yitwa 5-star hotels. Amahoteli yamasi y'inyenyeri 5. Hari umuntu yahobeye boss Mr. Kill we yahoberaga ninde? Wa mugabo umukobwa yagambaniye bari muri Tangier mwibuke neza film itangira. Umugabo mukire w'umufaransa Frenchman. Boss wabo none harimo aragara avugana n'umuntu usa naho muri Tangier yahigaguye umukobwa. Umukobwa arimo aragambanirwa nande? Icyo tutaramenya nico. Gusa umukobwa uko bigaragara akagambane karakomeye ari gukora inshingano bamuhaye zo kurangiza akazi ko kuriya mugabo Mr. K wa mugabo wa musaza Jack Tana. Ntabwo ari ako kazi gusa. Ba boss be tubonye barimo gukorana n'abantu nanone bahigaguye umukobwa muri Tangier. Ntabwo ari aho gusa. Umukobwa hano ukomeje kureba aho yararaga bisa naho hari umuntu wari wahavumbuye dore wa mudage wa mugabo uzayigize umudage umwicanyi nawe wendaga gutera uya mukobwa igishinge umugabo agenda nawe bishinge gusa. Hari n'uwibivi twabonye umukobwa arahigwa n'abantu benshi. Mbere yuko bahagarika kumuhiga agomba kurangiza inshingano zo kuri uriya mugabo kwa Tana Jack Tana. Umukobwa buruko yicaye aguma yigunza ari wenyine. Akora akazi filime nuko igenze. Aka ni ka episode ka kabiri, aka gatatu na ka kane turaje. Maze ukamenya ko volume zose zifite. Nuzacikwe rero komeza ukurikirane buri munsi amanywa n'ijoro kuva muri The One Film Production. Nakubwiye nubona post itanditse ngo zisobanwe na Yanga na Sankara na Junior. Bakukabona ngo zirasa
Fine. Yeah, I'm cool. I just need to ask you about some questions on your department. For the first question, I need to ask you, which important of your department will help the society when you go out in this IPRC?
Yeah. Thank you, first of all. Our department is very vast because we deal with the construction activities, load, site. We will develop everything and we will make the world better than than what we have come see it by now.
What will help the citizen which
turatse tukakubaza gato natwe turi mu kazi
ukwiza waciye ahantu hatari uwo mama kuko tuyiciye mu hantu ndabiye kubera ko tuva
zakazima tawe taje nakuye
Anzu kijamo.
Ndetse ne tunafotora ibikoresho ntino biba. Odi. Akuri ikibazo muri sodari.
Harimo undi uri buze nongera gusobanurira murongera gusobanurira ahubwo ngende